Good evening. The Lokpal debate is back and a new war of words has ensued between AAP and Prashant Bhushan and his father Shanti Bhushan. Now the former AAP founder and his father have launched a scathing attack against the Lokpal bill proposed for Delhi, calling it a big joke. Now the Aam Aadmi Party has defended the proposed bill, saying that not even a comma has been changed from the original Jan Lokpal bill. Here is a report on the developments of the day.
A new chapter has been added to the war of words between the Bhushans and Arvind Kejriwal. And this time, it is over the proposed Jan Lokpal bill for Delhi.
अरविंद के मन में शुरू से ये था कि भाई ये सब तो हम सत्ता पाने के लिए करेंगे, एक बार सत्ता में आ गए उसके बाद फिर हमारी कोई जवाबदेही हम होने ही नहीं देंगे.
Arvind had described as a jokepal, then Arvind's bill is a Mahajokpal.
Prashant Bhushan and Shanti Bhushan have lashed out at the AAP government for failing to bring in a strong and independent anti-corruption watchdog. They allege that in fact the Jan Lokpal is a joke and shocking, and that CM Arvind Kejriwal should resign from the post as he has failed to meet the promise of bringing in a strong Jan Lokpal.
But the Aam Aadmi Party dismissing all charges, suggesting that the bill has not been diluted at all.
प्रशांत भूषण जी खुद हो, उनके पिताजी हो, उनकी बहन हो, आम आदमी पार्टी को हराने के लिए लगातार काम करते रहे हैं. ये प्रशांत भूषण जी की प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस नहीं थी, ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी की प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस थी.
AAP leaders even making personal attacks on Bhushans, asking why they are silent on the lack of Lokpal in BJP ruled states.
प्रशांत भूषण जी से मेरा अनुरोध है कि जनरल वीके सिंह और किरण बेदी जी वाला मॉडल अपनाते हुए कि छद्म भाव से भारतीय जनता पार्टी का काम करें, उसके बाद पद ले लें या चुनाव लड़ लें, वो इस पर काम कर रहे हैं, करें. हिमाचल प्रदेश के अगले मुख्यमंत्री के उम्मीदवार बने, हमारी बधाइयां, लेकिन कम से कम आंदोलन को दूषित ना करें.
And this time, both the BJP and the Congress on the same page, coming together to take on the Arvind Kejriwal government.
What happened to that Lokpal? Where did that Lokpal go? Nobody is talking about that Lokpal now. So therefore, was this Lokpal agitation only a conspiracy to destabilize the UPA government?
ये केजरीवाल जी की बातें बड़ी बड़ी है, दर्शन छोटा है. दूसरे क्या, जो उनके साथी थे, जो उनका बिल ड्राफ्ट करने वाले थे पहले, वो भी उनके इस जन लोकपाल बिल को सही नहीं बता रहे हैं.
With a thumping majority in Delhi, Kejriwal will have no obstacles passing the bill in the assembly. But will it stand essential scrutiny at the centre, or will it fall flat once again? Bureau Report, News X.
All right, the Jan Lokpal about to be tabled in the Delhi Assembly has been now called a Mahajokpal by Prashant and Shanti Bhushan, and those two are not the only ones who are criticizing it. Let's go across to our panel today. Chaitanya Singh is the spokesperson of the Congress Party, joins me in the studio. Professor Anant Kumar, he was a founding member of the Aam Aadmi Party, now he's a member of the Swaraj Abhiyan. Also with us, RP Singh, National Secretary of the Bharatiya Janata Party, and Preeti Sharma will defend the AAP viewpoint. She's a spokesperson of that party. Thank you all for being here. Let me go across to the Congress spokesperson first and ask him what specifically is about, do they have a problem with as far as this particular Lokpal bill is concerned? I know you told me, Chaitanya, that there are specific points that will put the Aam Aadmi Party government in Delhi in direct confrontation with the centre, and that's perhaps where you see perhaps a deliberate design to go over this, what you may call a charade. Is that right?
Athar, I would first and foremost, I would like to start with, the irony of the situation is that the Aam Aadmi Party, which has always stood for and stressed on the importance of accountability and transparency and consultation in government processes and functions, has chosen not to make the bill, the important elements, in fact the whole bill, public. So that is one thing that I have a problem with, because the Aam Aadmi Party, which always always wants to take the high moral ground on all the issues, why is it that the bill was not made public? Why is it that the civil society groups were not consulted? Why is it that the opposition was not consulted? This is such an important bill. The Aam Aadmi, and I'm going to question the very intention of the Aam Aadmi Party on this issue. The very design with which the bill is being brought, it has been tabled. It has been passed by the cabinet. Now there is news that it is going to be tabled in the House on Monday. no prior permission of the Lieutenant
Are
Governor.
you saying the Congress agrees with what Shanti Bhushan and Prashant Bhushan said today, that this is just the opposite of what the Jan Lokpal was envisaged as?
Obviously, yes. We will obviously debate on the details of the bill, definitely. But first, right now, I'm talking about the intention of the Aam Aadmi
So
Party.
you're doubting the intention straight off the bat. Forget about the details there. I want to go across very quickly to Preeti Sharma Menon. Why did you not then, as the Congress puts it, Preeti, consult civil society, consult the opposition, and the fact
Consult
that
the Lieutenant Governor.
and the Lieutenant Governor,
Yes.
and the fact that there are provisions in this current form of the Lokpal, this draft form, that will put you in direct confrontation with the central government there as well. Many people are seeing this as a deliberate design, because then of course you can claim, देखो करने नहीं दिया, क्या करे?
Definitely, yes. That is the design.
Let her answer.
I think irony died when Congress starts talking about the Lokpal. This is the party that has ensured that corruption stayed in this country and that corruption is entrenched, and they did everything to stop the Lokpal. So they have absolutely no locus standi to even be speaking on this. They don't even exist in Delhi. But coming to the point of what we have done with the Lokpal bill, the Lokpal bill has been in public debate for over 4 years now. There is nothing hidden in the bill. It is the same bill that we tabled a year ago when we had a 49-day government. When we tabled the bill at that time also there was no civil society discussion before we tabled it, because it's already been discussed by civil society time and again. It has been contributed to by various NGOs, by various think tanks. That time Prashant Bhushan and Yogendra Yadav had absolutely no problem with the procedure. They were all right that it was directly tabled. But now they have a problem with the procedure. So there is no problem with the procedure. There is no problem with the Lokpal bill.
Okay,
there is
let
just
me direct
a problem
your
with the
attention
Aam
to
Aadmi
one
Party.
specific
And
problem.
it is so sad that their existence only is there to complain about the Aam Aadmi Party.
Okay, let me
and they
direct
have
your
no other
attention,
reason for
Preeti, to
existence.
one
They seem
specific
to be like
problem that
BJP's,
Prashant Bhushan
backroom
and
channel
Shanti
for
Bhushan have
shouting it up.
highlighted. Okay, hold on. Just let me direct your attention to one specific problem. They say the provision that gives the Delhi Assembly authority to remove a Lokpal, they say it's far too easy. And if the Lokpal can be removed so easily, it defeats the entire central purpose really, and it will also obviously be subject to Sarkari shenanigans. How do you respond to that?
Firstly, the bill has not been passed. The bill is going to be
this is
tabled
your
on
draft.
Monday. There is going to be a debate on Monday. There are 67 warriors in the Delhi Vidhan Sabha who have fought for this Jan Lokpal. These are people who are hardcore Jan Lokpal supporters. They are the ones who are going to debate, deliberate and fine-tune the bill. So it's not as if the bill has been passed, so they're talking as if there is something which has already been executed. There is debate. The methods that have been chosen are the same methods that have been chosen for the impeachment of the Chief Justice. Would Prashant Bhushan say that the method for impeachment of Chief Justice of India is not acceptable to him? It's the same method that's being used for the Lokpal. And everything that is there in the Jan Lokpal at this time is the same that it was there in the 49-day Sarkar when Prashant Bhushan himself was part of the whole thing.
Okay, let me
Entire charade is just to get publicity. There is no reason for the existence of Yogendra Yadav and Prashant Bhushan except to stand up and make noises whenever
Okay,
asked.
I don't think Yogendra Yadav was present, but let me go across to
absolutely no
Professor
relevance
Anand
to
Kumar.
this
No, hold on. Anand Kumar, of course, you're a former comrade, really, if I could use that word, of Mr. Arvind Kejriwal. Anand Kumar, do you think there's so much wrong with this particular draft bill, and do you think it has deviated from the spirit of the Jan Lokpal, from where all the leaders that we are talking about today sort of found their political roots? Do you think it's a bad Lokpal bill?
Well, that will be decided by a proper court of law, whether it is High Court or Supreme Court. But it is obvious that Aam Aadmi Party government suffers with legal deficits. The legal brains are reflected in their ministers who are hunted down for their fake degrees and other acts of omission and commission. There is also political deficit because the appointment process has overwhelming presence of the politicians with token presence of one person from the judiciary. And thirdly, it is a bill which tells you and me that don't you dare to complain against Chief Minister and others, otherwise you will be put in jail for 1 year with 1 lakh rupees punishment.
But that's your interpretation,
This was
sir. Any false
something
complaints?
which was rejected
Professor
by
Anand Kumar,
Ramlila
that might
Maidan
be your
people.
interpretation, but don't you think there should be
That
a
is
safeguard against
completely
false
ridiculous
complaints?
interpretation.
Shouldn't there be a safeguard against false complaints?
Well, right complaint and false complaints are, sir, right complaints and false complaints have a very thin line to divide them, because the presence of a clause where Lokpal committee members can be removed by Vidhan Sabha, two-third majority of Vidhan Sabha, makes it very clear that you are looking for a Dwarpal and not a Lokpal.
Okay, so you're saying
A guard
inherently it's
to
all
protect
become
you from
political and that's what you have a problem with.
inquiries.
I understand your point. I understand your point. Before I go back to Mr. RP Singh, I think Preeti Sharma Menon wants to come in for a couple of seconds. Very quickly, Preeti Sharma, what's your objection to this before I go to RP Singh?
I think Professor Anand Kumar has not taken the Jan Lokpal at all seriously. If he had, he would have been arguing in every state where the Lokpal bill is not passed or where there is a Lokayuk not in existence. The only reason that they are standing up and making a noise today is because they fear that the BJP government will come under the ambit of the Delhi Lokpal. This entire charade is being done to protect the BJP. That is all that this is about, because their arguments are frivolous to say the least.
Okay, fair enough. That's a critique coming in there. I want rebuttals from Mr. Anand Kumar, but first I want to go across to... Yes.
Madam Preeti,
Yes, go ahead.
just a minute. Madam Preeti Sharma Menon, I have known you personally. Secondly, you are a lady. I cannot cross certain limits of decency, but please be decent. Don't try to take liberties with us. We are people of substance, and we have known worse people than you all together. We have fought Indira Gandhi.
I want to make it personal.
Don't dare you challenge
Anand Kumar, Preeti Menon, I'll request everyone not to get personal, because let's talk about this. Is very important, not just for Delhi, but for the national. In fact, the national.
I'm not getting personal at all.
No. I think we should refrain from making personal comments. Preeti, that goes for you as well as for you, Mr. Anand Kumar. But RP Singh, the BJP's name is being dragged in a very... No, hold on. BJP's name is being dragged in a very interesting way. Now, Prashant Bhushan and Shanti Bhushan now are being labelled BJP agents. I would like you to come in here and also your thoughts on the Lokpal bill.
Before I start on this Lokpal issue, I need to do a little correction. You mentioned some 7,000 Muslim women. 70,000, not
70,000. Yes. That's a different story, sir. Forget that story. We'll do it later.
No. Nothing to do with. I was hearing that. I was just hearing it. Anyhow.
70,000.
Second issue is on this Lokpal. They are known for threat. They are known for Arvind Kejriwal and his team is known for this. They will do threat. And even this Lokpal, they are not serious. Let me give you one example. You understand from that. This bill is repugnances against the central government. This will not hold ground with the central government, because if you try to bring the people within the central government or the ministers or the officers serving the central government in the ambit of this, how will this go through? And also, there are two earlier bills which has not been cleared till date, because they are different bills. The parliamentary secretary, the bill for which recommendation which has been sent with the Delhi government, and for changing of name of a college of Netaji Subhash Chandra to university. But they are still pending. Can Madam let me know, has it been cleared? And I am telling you, even the CRPC Act and Education Bill, the form in which it is being sent, I doubt it will be cleared by the central government. The whole issue is, they will try to pitch this bill in a fashion that, see, we brought Lokpal bill, and the central government doesn't want to do it, BJP doesn't want to do it, because they are anti-Lokpal. That's the basic
That's what I referred to earlier as well.
Another 2 days.
That's what I referred to earlier, Mr.
Wait
Singh.
for another 2 days.
Yes.
So, I think he's made a very honest admission on television today.
Yeah. No,
I think
it's
the
not
BJP
admission.
spokesperson has made a very honest
You are not
admission
serious
already.
about it. That there is a law of
first
country,
honest admission
and
from the BJP.
you don't follow the law of country. You don't
We
want
are
to
not
follow
serious
the law of
about
the
it.
country.
We are
That's the
so
problem
serious
with-
about this that
you
we
say
have
you are an
already
anarchist.
passed the
Anarchist-
right to
anarchist
services
will
bill for
never
Indian
follow
citizens.
the law of the country. And as an anarchist, you are doing this because you are not following the regulation. You are not following the NCT Act. You are not following the Central Government Act. And that's why you don't want this to come. You are trying to pitch it against the government so that later on you can wash your hands and say, no. Oh, we wanted to bring it.
I think you're just highlighting the point I made, Mr. RP Singh, at the beginning of the debate. Before I let Preeti Sharma come in here, I think Chaitanya wants to come in. Chaitanya, go ahead.
Preeti Sharma ji had just said that the current bill which the Aam Aadmi Party wants to pass, table and pass in the House, in the Assembly, is the same bill which was in the public domain in the 49 days of government. Then if it is the same bill, then why not make the bill public? My first and basic question is that, why not make the bill public? And it has been 9 months that your government has been in power. If you were ready with the bill then, what took you so long to bring the bill, to get it passed from the cabinet and then actually get it tabled in the house and then pass it? What took you so long?
Preeti Sharma, if you're so serious about the Lokpal bill in its current form, why is it not first of all
One more
public?
thing I would like to add here, I would like to add here, the Aam Aadmi Party had no intentions, I would repeat, the Aam Aadmi Party had no intentions to bring the bill in this session of the assembly as well. It is only after when Shri Ajay Maken, DPCC president, had laid pressure on them to bring the bill, that is when the Delhi cabinet had passed it.
Okay, I don't think Ajay Maken was the only one trying to bring pressure. I think I disagree with that.
He was the first, no, he was the first one to actually,
he was one of the people. He was definitely not the only one. Preeti Sharma, do you have any answers?
Anyway, I think coming back to the main point, yes, coming back to the main point on what the Delhi government is doing. Congress in its last 40 years of existence did not pass any Lokpal, they did not pass any anti-corruption
The Congress
law.
party
So
passed
they
the
should not
Lokpal in
tell us about our
2013,
9
madam,
months.
if you remember.
We are working at a very fast speed on delivering.
I know how
Yeah, we know what kind of
your
Lokpal
speed
that
is.
is.
It has been 9 months.
Coming back to the point,
You
what
were
we
just
have
clearing
done
the
last
same bill.
week
What
is
took
that
you
we
so
have
long?
passed
You had no intention of passing the
Lokpal
bill.
bill.
If you had the
As
intention
being
of passing the bill,
citizen
the
charter,
formalities,
the citizen charter
which are required for every bill to be tabled in the assembly, why were they not
I don't
followed?
think
Okay,
this
let
is
her
a
answer.
debate.
Gentlemen, let her answer, please. Go ahead.
Why are you not following the procedure,
Mr.
madam?
Singh, please.
Mr. Singh, but the
What
Bharatiya
the-
Janata
hold
Party.
on, hold on. Chaitanya, let her answer. Let her answer.
A very essential achievement of passing the Right to Services Bill last week. Under the Right to Services Bill, any
I'm
citizen
sorry,
who does not
again,
get
let me-
time-bound
let- no, let
delivery
me-
of
let
his
me
services
correct her.
from the government can immediately get a fine. Now, that is such an important bill, and that is an important and intrinsic part
I'm
of the
sorry,
Lokpal.
Miss Preeti,
We
that
have
bill
a
already
separate
existed.
bill to
The
ensure
provisions
that
that you are
it is
speaking
fully
of,
executed.
they were already
So
existing
the
in
Aam
the
Aadmi
2011
Party
bill.
is doing
I need to
everything in
indicate
order to
this
ensure
was-
that
this
all
is
the
a wrong
aspects of the
time to
Okay,
Jan
Mr. Singh,
Lokpal
I'll
are
give you a chance to
delivered.
respond, sir. Hold on.
We
Preeti
are doing
Sharma,
our
please
work
finish
in
your
a very
sentence
timely
now.
and in a proper manner. What the BJP spokesperson
Okay,
What the BJP spokesperson here is showing is his threat perception that they will come under the ambit of the Lokpal. They had the same threat perception with the Anti-Corruption Bureau, and they tried to steal, and they managed to steal the Anti-Corruption Bureau
so we're
away
back
from
to
the Delhi
politics now.
government.
We're back to
So it is
politics
a
now.
corrupt
Let me-
government
let's
at the
see,
center
hold on.
which is
RP
trying to
Singh.
protect itself, and that's what their noise is
We are
about.
back to politics now,
And
unfortunately.
the Congress government has absolutely no locus
can I-
standi.
Okay, RP Singh now wants to come in. Hold on, RP Singh wants to
comment.
come in. RP Singh wants to come in. Go ahead, Mr. Singh.
Madam, Right to Service Act was not even part of your manifesto. It was me in last year October who has sent a complete detailed note to the LG and the the Chief Secretary of the city to get the Right to Service Act in the form you are getting it. So stop taking credit for others.
Yes, sir.
And also, as
You
far as your
passed it
Lokpal
in
bill,
all the
I'm
places
sure-
where Congress has government. It
Ma'am,
was you,
please,
sir.
I'm a
Aap
USP
in a
speaker,
Right
never
to
uttered a
Services
word.
bill. Go
Please.
pass it in a single state where there is a Congress government. Please do not tell us what we are doing in Delhi. Go to a place where there is a Congress government and a BJP government and go and pass a Right
We
to
know
Services
what we
bill.
are doing in
Do
there.
not
We
teach us
know
what we are
better
doing
than-
because we
than
have
you
done
what
it.
you are doing
You will
Delhi.
never be able to do
You
it
were
because Right to
posting about
Services
Congress
just
MLA.
eliminates corruption.
Okay, I want to
Name
bring
one
Anand,
BJP
Anand,
government,
Professor
one
Anand
BJP
Kumar in.
Congress
Hold on,
government
hold on.
You are-
Let's
this has
not
been
turn
passed.
this into a shouting match. This is
I
not how
think
we
it's
do business on
completely
News X.
ridiculous.
Please, gentlemen,
They
please.
are
Mr.
running
Singh,
scared
Preeti
of the
Sharma,
Lokpal, and
second.
that is why there is this objection to the Aam Aadmi
Okay,
Party.
one second. I
Lokpal.
need to
Because
cool
they are
tempers down. No, hold on.
frightened.
Preeti Sharma
This is
Menon,
a fear that
RP
we are
Singh,
seeing.
my request
This
to
is a
you,
terrified
take a break
BJP.
for 10
That's what
seconds.
we are
Let's
seeing over here.
hold on. Let's take a step back. Cool our tempers down. We'll take a short break for 10 seconds. We'll come back in 15 and we'll go straight to Professor Anand Kumar and Chaitanya as well. Take a break. Come right back.
This program is associated with Bharti AXA Life Insurance. जीवन सुरक्षा का नया नजरिया।
कंपेयर नहीं करेगा तो बनेगा उल्लू। PolicyBazaar.com पर जाओ, सभी कार इंश्योरेंस कंपनीज के प्लान्स कंपेयर करके चूज करो, 7,000 तक बचाओ। PolicyBazaar.com।
Well, as promised, we are back. Preeti Sharma Menon and RP Singh involved in a verbal duel. But I want to take a step back. And Professor Anand Kumar, let me come back to the main pointers, really, that Shanti Bhushan and Prashant Bhushan have objected to. The reason they're calling it a Mahajokpal, and one of the reasons, of course, they've come out and said is that this current draft of the bill is weaker than the one being presented by the centre. the central Lokpal bill. Do you agree really? Because look at this. When we spoke about the removal of Lokpal, you say that political appointees or political people who constitute the Lokpal, 2 out of 3 members are political, the Speaker of the Assembly, the Leader of the Opposition, as well as one from the ruling party as well. Do you think all of that, sir, can be better? If yes, then how exactly? What would you want incorporated in this bill for you to be okay with it?
I thank you for a very valid question. Shri Shanti Bhushan knows what he is talking about because he has been in practice for more than 65 years and has been law minister of this country, who unseated a sitting prime minister with his legal acumen. So if he is suggesting something, instead of calling him names, please take some time and understand the implications before there is egg all over your face. Prashant Bhushan is the man who did, along with others, 13 drafting of the Jan Lokpal bill during the Anna movement.
No, but the specifics,
and he also
I'm
knows
talking about the specifics,
what is there in it and what has been missing. There are 2 other, sir, just a minute. There are 2 other documents which can help the Delhi government to come out of the woods. One is the Uttarakhand Lokpal bill, which was appreciated by all of us during the heydays of our movement in 2011-13. And there is a Government of India central government bill about Jan Lokpal. We know these documents. There has to be some homework. There has to be some public debate and dialogue, because Jan Lokpal bill is born out of civil society initiatives of last 25-30 years against crime politics nexus. It is a response to the unfortunate Tandoor murder case, where there was NN Bora committee report telling us that there is a parallel system of criminals and politicians infiltrating even judiciary and police
Anand
system.
Kumar, as much as
And
I
they
respect
said
you,
Delhi,
sir, you are not coming
Haryana,
down to the specifics. You're talking
and Bihar
about
are
what you
the
already
worst affected
know, sir.
states.
Would you have, Professor Anand Kumar,
Yes.
a couple of specific
are no
changes
specifics.
No, 2
that
specific
you would
points,
like
2
this
specific
particular
points.
draft to have? And what are those changes?
Okay, 2 specific points.
Yes.
Yes, two. There are 2 specific points. Number 1, appointment process should have more weightage for the judicial section and civil society section. Number 2, removal of Lokpal. It should not be in the hands of the politicians, that is Vidhan Sabha. It should go to Delhi High Court, as we had
Okay,
suggested.
so you're
for
stressing
Supreme
that the
Court
judiciary,
to be
of
the
course, is
removing authority.
underrepresented. I take
If
your
they are
point,
the
sir.
appointing and removing
I
authority.
take your point, sir. Those are valid points and objections there as well. Before I get an answer from Preeti
Yes.
Sharma Menon, very quickly, RP Singh, I have 2 minutes left, in fact,
Thank
1
you.
minute left on this debate. Why exactly is Shanti Bhushan and Prashant Bhushan now being linked to the BJP, sir? Do you know something we don't?
That our party need to tell. We don't need to tell. That our party need to tell.
Joke of
People
the
who
day.
don't go by their terms, they are all labeled as BJP people now. That's the only answer. But I'm telling you again, this bill is not going to see the day of light because it's not been tabled, it's not been processed in the right way. We are for Lokpal. My party in Assembly is for Lokpal. Probably if they follow the process.
Okay, very quickly.
Look, first and foremost, the Bharatiya Janata Party has no locus of saying anything about the Lokpal or accusing anyone else of any misdoing or wrongdoing, because they are the government who sat on the Lokpal appointment for over a year. The reality about this bill, the Delhi Jan Lokpal bill, is that the Aam Aadmi Party and Arvind Kejriwal, they very well know if there was a strong and powerful Lokpal to be in place, the first people going to jail will be their own leaders, their own MLAs and their own ministers.
So what exactly is this? You started off by saying this is a charade because they're going to get into confrontation with the centre anyway. Is there no way? Because you hardly have an MLA in the Delhi Assembly. How are you going to effect change if you want to?
No. He's right.
No.
There are 23 AAP MLAs who
have been made parliamentary secretaries.
It's
in trouble.
No, I understand. You're factually correct, sir, Mr. Singh. It's a very rare instance, Preeti Sharma Menon, when the Congress and the BJP agree on something. This is one of those. This is one of those, even though it's factually correct. But I'm going to give you 30 seconds to make your case for this particular draft bill.
Instance at all. The Congress
Yes.
and the BJP have always been together.
No, go ahead,
The
please.
Congress and the BJP have
Who
always
took
been
support of
together in
Congress
supporting the
party to
anti-corruption
form the
movement.
government?
There is
Who took
absolutely
support
no
of Congress
question
party?
of them
Let her finish,
being
Mr.
different.
Singh.
They are two
Who
sides
took Congress
of the
for
same
seeking
coin,
support?
absolutely.
Let her finish.
On this channel right now, the BJP spokesperson
not us.
has threatened that the central government will not
Congress
allow the
government.
Lokpal bill to pass. They have openly threatened that they will
never
stall
said
it,
so.
that they will
You are
find
not following the
excuses,
regulation.
that they
You are
will
not-
find reasons to
you are
stop
not
it.
following the
Why would they
rules.
stop the
You are
Lokpal
not
bill if
following
it was
the
a weak
regulation.
Lokpal
Okay,
bill?
okay.
They are stopping it because they are threatened because it is a
Okay, we-
water
you are
right,
threatened. The
strong
Aam Aadmi
Lokpal
Party is
bill, the
threatened.
very same that we had
Your
passed
leaders are
when we
threatened.
resigned from
Okay,
the government a year back.
Gentlemen, we have to wrap now. We have to wrap now. In fact, there's some more breaking news coming
We
in.
have
We
put
leave
the
it there.
Chief
Preeti
Minister
Sharma
under
Menon,
the
you've
act-
got your 30 seconds. We leave it there. More breaking news meanwhile coming in just now. CBI sources have been speaking to NewsX. They say the Peters lie detector test has revealed, and we've gotten that information, that the questionnaire focused more